Hi guys, it's Derek with On Mac Door and Hardware. I'm here with our HD 500 series 4-inch by 4-inch push plate. Now, a lot of people call in and they ask, hey, how do I change my battery in the push plate? Or hey, how do I get in there? How does this come off? So I'm here to show you that today. So our unit here, you can see, has 3 holes. 1, 2, 3 on top, 1, 2, 3 on bottom. So now, the holes that we use to pick up screws and secure this to the box are going to be on your outer corners, right? So we use 4 units, okay? Right here I have a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and we're just going to go in and we're going to loosen all of these. So you don't have to back these out all the way, but you can back them out. You need to back the top ones out a good amount, so that the plate has room to slide out and away from the box. So we're going to back these out. We're going to go into the bottoms and loosen up those. Okay, that's loose. Alright, and then once you back them out enough, what will happen is you can actually pull this away. So for the HD 500 series, we have like a slot on these top 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to tilt it out and lift it up and then pull it out again more, and then it'll come straight out. And if you see on the back here, you'll see that the bottom there's really just slots so it can slide straight out, but on the top we got these slots here where they are bigger at the bottom. So that's the first little bit when you lift it out. When you lift it out first, or you lift it away, you're going to hit the top slot, but it won't come out. So you just make sure to put up and then out, and then it comes right out. Then you have access to your battery and your transmitter, whatever else is in here.